In this third part of the Salesforce Hospital project, we are going to use the library simple-salesforce to send data from an outside device to our object Sante.
Hi, thanks Julian. I'm very happy to see you again for this third video. This is our new user story today. We want to retrieve in real time, every minute, the blood sugar test for a patient. This blood sugar information will be sent directly to the Salesforce org. You can use Python and a specific library named simple-salesforce from your data cloud architecture.
You need to install first the Python library simple-salesforce and then request. With these two libraries, you will be able to do request on your org and modify the data with Python. You will be able also to use Panda, for example, if you want to build useful dashboard in your data cloud architecture outside your SF org. First, you need to open your Jupyter Notebook or your favorite Python IDE and import your libraries. We simulate a data created outside our org, for example in a data cloud with a txt file extract. The random library helps us to generate a figure. The identifier is the ID of our patient, the same in our example that is Salesforce ID. We have as a result a very simple txt file which will be easily manipulated with Python. This new block of code will read the file. In our loop, the index line 0 will be the ID variable named identifier and the index line 1 will be new blood sugar test result of the extract from the connected device. With the documentation of simple-salesforce, you have all the request language compatible with Python and Salesforce. With this code, you will be able to connect your IDE with Salesforce. You need to generate a security token and use your password and username. Simple-salesforce reads Salesforce field and object as a Python dictionary. You need to understand how Python dictionary works. We have created a variable named blood sugar T0. This variable will take the value of our first simple-salesforce request. SF Sante get identifier SF is a request which will search in our Salesforce org the ID of our txt file identifier. Now, we have in our program memory all the fields of this request as a dictionary named blood sugar T0. Between the two square brackets, we can call the field of our object Sante. Here blood sugar GL. It's easy now to update the date with the new measure. You just need to get the ID of your patient and to use SF Sante_C.update. If there is a connection between your Python program and your org, your figure will be updated.
We hope you enjoyed. You can think about in cloud architecture organization and a connected device like Arduino or Raspberry. Simple-salesforce can help you to build this API. Have a good day.